Ever wondered about the purpose and ability of a lift kit for trucks? Well, prepare to embark on a fascinating journey, starting from the inception of this remarkable piece of engineering to its current status in the automotive industry. But first, kickstart life. Does music motivate you? Do you feel sluggish or a bit overweight, maybe teeth hurt or bad breath? Let's turn that around and up. We have a great dental, probitic chewable, and weight loss drink, as well as great car audio products like JL Audio, just for your daily dose of feel-good. Visit DIY Arch, click the web link for your free gifts for visiting, and get great quality at affordable prices. Now, let's kickstart our journey in the spring of the late 1960s. It was during this period that the concept of the lift kit was born. The credit for this innovative invention goes to George Strop, a well-known name in the world of off-road racing. Strop recognized the need for trucks to have adjustable suspension systems to navigate varying terrains, and so the lift kit emerged, with a purpose to elevate the truck's body or suspension, providing a higher ground clearance and the ability to install larger tires for better off-road performance. The cost of a lift kit can range widely depending on the make and model of your truck. On average, you might need to shell out anywhere between $2,000 to $10,000 for a quality lift kit. It's a substantial investment, but for truck enthusiasts who crave the thrill of going off-road or simply want their vehicle to stand out, it's a price worth paying. Fast forward to today, and lift kits are widely available across the globe. Due to their increasing popularity, many automotive shops have equipped themselves with the skills and tools necessary to install these kits. It's estimated that thousands of shops worldwide can now competently handle the installation of lift kits. To sum up, the lift kit, an invention of the 1960s, has revolutionized the way truck owners experience off-road driving. This, despite its hefty price tag, the lift kit has gained immense popularity, and its availability has skyrocketed, with countless shops worldwide offering installation services. So the next time you see a truck towering above the rest, remember the lift kit, a remarkable piece of engineering that's taken the world of trucks to new heights. Quite literally. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share, subscribe, and hit the notifications for DIY Arch Auto. Be safe.